Hey, what's up, traders? This is AUDJPY, and I'm expecting a pullback in here, and we will look why. So let's go to the bigger time frame and try to understand what's going on in here. So we can see how the AUDJPY is moving up in this beautiful long-term channel, right? So we have this Corona drop in here. Since then, we have created this one wave, second wave, third wave. This is the third wave, fourth wave corrective one, and now we are in the wave 5 on the long-term channel, right, which will be the stronger one, but it does not mean that there's not going to be any pullback or so. Basically we have this channel, and once we have this low, we have these two highs. We've been able to predict where the price will most likely will correct and where it will react, which is basically happening right now. So right now the price is testing this top, and what I'm expecting here is a short-term pullback before this breakout will happen, right? So let's go to the lower time frame and try to look where we can enter into the market. So let's look to the 4 hours, and this is what we are seeing. So we are basically seeing the price reacting in this supply zone, right? So basically here is this beautiful supply zone, which is where the price reacted. And what as well happened is we had the breakout. There was actually the break, which is a false break. So what happened then is basically the market, the false break, and traders enter the long, and they will put stop losses, somewhere around. So basically now the false break, the price is dropping lower, these stop losses will be taken out. Some traders will enter and it will maybe drop lower. I don't know, but let me explain this. So we have this long-term channel, as we said, and this false break, and currently we have this short-term channel. I mean, it's not so short-term, this is 4 hours time frame, but we have these two bottoms. We have this one top in here, and this is the projected target which has been reached. And right now, as we have this one wave, two, three, the long one, now we should get this corrective one before the price break higher, right? That's the predictions. Of course, it does not mean that's gonna happen. So that's what I'm expecting to happen in here. So I will be trading the short, right? So what already happened in here is that we have this wave one with the correction, then the wave two will be above this. So here, once these stop losses will be taken out, those who entered this breakout in here, they will have the stop loss in here. Here is the liquidity, here is where I want to enter. So that's gonna be wave two. Then probably we gonna have two levels be taken out, right? So on the wave three. So what can happen in here is the wave, then some pause, and then another wave, right? So the wave three could come back down into this level, and here we will be getting some as well. Again, the correction wave four before it drops lower here, right? Which will as well give us something like some channel, probably like this. Yeah. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna trade right now. And let's check this on the COT data. So if you saw my previous analysis for the Aussie, you probably seen that why the price has moved higher, even when we can see here this bigger short positions than long positions, right? So basically, why is that? Because the banks has reached 117k, which is the 5 years extreme, and currently they are taking the profits. So they are taking the profits from the shorts, right? So as the shorts being closed, that's why the price is going up, right? And now I'm expecting, as they reached as well their historical 5 years minimum longs, I'm expecting them right now to make this pullback and start to build the longs positions, right? While they will be closing the shorts when the price is moving down, right? How clever are these bastards? So what if you look to the JPY? So what we can see on the JPY, yes, it looks quite bearish for the JPY. Of course, it looks bearish, but look at this massive USD JPY position here, 138, right? And as well, what is here? We can see these shorts. So basically, the longs are bigger than average, shorts are as well bigger than average, right? So definitely I'm expecting this pullback. uh, I'm sorry, I don't want to say definitely in the trading because nothing is gonna happen like definitely or 100% sure or there is a very big uncertainty in the trading and actually of course in everything in our life nothing is certain, but especially not in the trading. So yeah, I like the confluences in here. So what we have here, we have this middle band. We have this middle band of this long-term channel, right? We have the upper band of this channel. We have the supply zone tested, right? We have this beautiful drop-based drop with the growing volume, right? So this candle as well had a quite nice volume, which is this one. So the short from here, that was with the volume. So I see that as the price was reaching the top, the volume was decreasing, and as the price starting to drop down, the volume is increasing, right? So this pullback will be nice speculation for me. All right, my friends, bye bye and good luck.